Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp web phone not connected. Firstly guys, you need to go and restart your phone or turn it off and back on again. This is the first section or the first solution. The second solution is updating your WhatsApp application to the latest version available from your store. Also, open your phone settings, then tap network, wireless, and tap on your airplane mode. Then you'll try with connecting to a different Wi-Fi hotspots, also ensuring Wi-Fi stays on during sleep mode, rebooting your Wi-Fi router, checking with your mobile provider whenever there's an issue, or visiting the Microsoft website and confirming the APN settings are configured correctly. And also, if you have a Windows phone made by Nokia, use the connection setup app from Microsoft Store. Also, you'll need to upgrade your Windows Phone operating system to the latest version available for your model. Also, you have to contact the network administration for Wi-Fi connection troubleshooting. This applies also if you're on a public Wi-Fi like your campus or corporate and has Wi-Fi restrictions. You need also to don't use with proxies or VPN as it may affect the connection. You need to note that these steps also work with Android or iOS phones, but with subtle differences in settings. If your phone is not connected to WhatsApp application, it could be an internet connection issue or your phone settings. To resolve this, follow these recommendations that have spoken yet. If your Windows 10 laptop in which you're gonna get it connected your phone to your laptop to WhatsApp, then you're gonna recognize your Lumia smartphone. Then you'll need to follow the steps also that I have told before. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and make sure that you have involved in this explanational video which can help you to resolve the problem.